So 3M stock was pumping higher today, although it did finish off the highs after hitting $150 to settle at $146 for the day. However, that was still good for a 4% increase or $5.86. So what was the pump due to? Well, they posted EPS today of $1.68. That was slightly above the estimates of $1.66 with revenue of $6.06 billion, surpassing expectations of $5.77 billion. Now, the company's performance was supported by cost-cutting measures and steady demand in its healthcare and safety segment, which offset weaker performance in other areas. 3M highlighted its focus on operational efficiency and innovation, which helped it navigate a challenging macro environment. Nevertheless, the stock has been moving higher over the last 6 months, and now price finds itself hitting this monthly sell level at $151. So we're going to take this weekly sellers level off the table at $138. Now I do want to go down to the weekly chart. I just want to look at that weekly zone. Okay, so that was established from this drop in price, a basing candle, and then the drop out. Now these wicks, these on the top of the bodies, are really pointing up to the real sell level, and it just happens to be this monthly sell level at $151. Price did pull back though, but the momentum to the upside was just too strong. The buyers just outweighed the sellers, and so the question is, are the buyers going to win the battle again now that price is in a monthly level, a monthly sell level at $151? When I look at this price action to the left of price, I'm not in love with. You have a lot of trading here, so there's no real levels of interest that I like. You might have something above that. However, even that level, you had a lot of trading to the left of it. So this tells me that there's somewhat an balance between buyers and sellers, with the exception of this drop basing candle and then the drop out where the sellers took control. Very similar to this level here. You have a lot of trading and you don't really have a great move to the downside. See this volume? It's pretty much average volume. Let's go down to the daily chart. Now, if price can close above the upper portion of the zone, that would validate this daily buy level at $137.50. But again, there's no volume here, although price did take out the pivot highs to the left. Let's mark that in blue. And I want to look at this level a bit more. Let's go down to, all right, let's go down to the daily chart. Yeah, I mean, there's really no levels of interest any longer. You have one here, this drop basing candle, then the drop out. You also have another level here, but it's not fresh. These levels are not fresh, meaning price has already pulled back to fill those unfilled orders. Nevertheless, see how price on this level penetrated more than 50% of the level? I would anticipate price just slicing through that. and then looking for those unfilled orders at the next level. You see how price just dipped its toes in the zone? Nevertheless, it was a good day for the bag holders of 3M. However, the charts are suggesting definitely take some off the table now that price has entered this monthly sell level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.